Hello, viewers. Today, with Team Donovan Wealth Building, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the past activity that I've had in the last 2 weeks. Um, this is not financial advice. Please talk to a financial advisor if you're log, looking for actual um, actionable advice. I'm just going over the journey that I'm in, building that passive income, um, and future wealth. So let's start with the dividends received. In the last 2 weeks, received from O, Maine, Harley, 3M, AGNC, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Wells Fargo, Visa, Ford twice. So there must have been a special in there. And LTC. And that brings my total to $214.45. So busy, busy, busy at the start of the month, as always. It is my lowest month. I probably won't get more than 250 or so, but we'll see. And now on to the buys. Let's take a look at what I bought. You can see here, starting at the oldest, bought a share of EPR, which is a entertainment REIT that I think is poised to do well going forward. I originally bought into the 80s, a couple shares, and then as it crashed due to the COVID and all that, I picked up more. So I'm getting pretty close to my cost basis. AGNC, which is a mortgage REIT or an M REIT, high yield, a little bit more risky than traditional. I think it's paying about a 14% dividend. Oh, and EPR is paying about 6.5, I think, right now. Ford picked up 3 shares. Buying to weakness. That's what I tend to do. Crown Castle, which is good timing because they just had reported earnings and they were up like 10% today, but picked up a share. It's about 6% 6.5 something. Another share of AG&C, and then a was it a business development company, BDC, Aries. I bought a couple shares here. Figured why not round up my portfolio here. Bigger screen. AGNC again. Nvidia bought should have picked up when it was recently at 110, but 117. I'll take it. Doesn't really pay dividend. I mean, 4 cents. I don't count it. But I think the potential for growth with AI is there. So it's one of the stocks I don't necessarily buy for the dividend. EPR again, and Google Alphabet picked up 1 share, another 3 shares of AGNC, and a share of Pfizer. Of course, everyone knows who Google is. Pfizer, I'm a little worried about going forward, but I figured mid 20s, it's still a good risk reward. I think I originally started buying Pfizer at 33 or 32 some years back, but so I just started picking up another share. So that brings dividends of forward dividends of 6 shares of agency of $8.64, 2 shares of ARCC, $3.84, CCI 1 share $6.26, 2 shares of EPR, which is $6.84, the 3 shares of Ford $1.80, 1 share of Google is 80 cents, 1 Pfizer of $1.72, and Nvidia 0.04, so 4 cents. That will bring my projected dividend income up to 29.94, on top of whatever was projected beforehand. which monthly is $2.49. So yeah, I think my total going forward. um, let's see, tracking here, 3,600. Excuse me. Average per day of $9.96. Per hour, it's 41 cents basically. And the qualified long term dividends, which get taxed at a lower rate than the non traditional or non qualified, is $1,843. So, yeah, these are the buys and the dividends I received this week. Can you tell me which securities you picked up? Is there any I should be looking at? What do you guys think? So there you go. Please like and subscribe.